but chalice a bubble. Just a place in the yard, since I show up. Your music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble. Out into dark, and the fire on the power just a place. One thing to know about Jamaica, we are the confidence of the African continent in Rastafari. No influence is greater, and the state of the nation is testament to one. From the seas of the mind, them of the enemy as them hate it, so them worship the blind. But the real black Madonna is the rightful divine, and the king and queen crown same time. Balance in the yard, since I jump on. Our music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble. From down into dark, and the fire on the flower just a place. In the yard, since I jump on. Music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble. From down into dark, and the fire on the flower just a place. The fire just a blaze, burning all the evil. Watch our music free the people. Oh, the herb I bring the healing, and the word I bring the knowledge where we take up. We can get shook up when the consciousness wake up. In the yard, since I jump up, sing music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble. The fire on the power just a blaze. In the yard, since I jump up, music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble. Let's it go. Fire on the power just a blaze. Orlando, him have a platter and a upper west. Him know me love my belly 'cause I just summer girl. And my favorite thing him bring for me is avocado. Me love the avocado. Avocado, me love the avocado. Avocado, me love the avocado. In the yard, since I jump on. Music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble. From morning to dark, and the fire on the flower just a blaze. In the yard, since I jump on. We have the music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble. From morning to dark, and the fire on the flower just a blaze. What man museum? How you feeling? We're celebrating the life of a beautiful young man. Mersa, honor and respect. Never bring the evil, and the word I bring the knowledge where we take up. We can get shook up, shook up, shook up. Yes, we give thanks for all of the brothers who make it easy to be a woman. We give thanks for Joe Mersa, as young as he was a family man, an example among his peers, and we give thanks. And right now we celebrate the brothers, especially now today is International Women's Day. We especially celebrate those brothers who know how to show them. This one is for all my brothers. Keep it well. I feel I rate you, I appreciate you. You mean the world to me. Oh, this one is for all my brothers. Even though things stress, you never let it stress your head, 'cause you're fearless and you're focused and you're free. Yeah. It's really hard on the man them today, 'cause the system set away, and it seems like positivity no pay. But despite the negative, a few of them a give us inspiration in the way they try to live. I mean some really honest youth you can depend on for the truth. Not afraid to show the girl that she's the center of his world. The ones who are working constantly to support the family. It's time we take some time to stay. me. I rate you, I appreciate you. You mean the world to me. Oh, this one is for all my brothers. Even though things straight, you never let it stress you in. 'Cause you're fearless and you're focused and you're free. It's really hard 'cause the answer's not so clear and society no fear. And it seems that no one has the time to care. But I'm grateful for the fact you always have my back. 'Cause it compensates for everything you have. Despite the constant state of strife, I'm glad I have you in my life. And when frustration starts to brew, I simply concentrate on you. And even when the plans go wrong, like a lion you stay strong. And you deserve the best, expect it from your lion life. This one is for all my brothers. You and you and you and you and you. You mean the world to me. Oh, this one is for all my brothers. Even though it's strength, you never let it stress your head. 'Cause you're fearless and you're focused and you're free. Your life demonstrates that love is greater. Inspire me, you're truly a gift from the Creator. Yes, sir. Give thanks for the listening ear. We have to celebrate. Big up for yourself. Brothers and sisters, anything you want, anything your mind can conceive, you can achieve. Remember this. Don't mix up. Everything comes if I concentrate. When I focus on the right thing, I don't shut out the world and release the hate. Focus on the fighting. I don't have to follow both trends, but just to find out and I'm thankful. Cause of my beloved, love it. And I'm thankful.
Make some noise for Janina. She sounds sweet, man. Because some other man that news. She sounds sweet though. That sounds like a voice we just want to hear. You see like tomorrow Sunday, just turn on your radio, listen to some Janina all day and just look. You know what I mean? Look up right. You having a good time? Say yeah. It's International Women's Day. All the ladies scream for me one time. All the ladies in here who, if your life was impacted by your mother, make some noise. If you love your mother, whether she's dead or alive, make some noise. Yeah. So, Mama, I love you. Maybe it's a grandmother raised. I say, Grandmama, I love you. Or your auntie. Anybody that born outside of Kingston, make some noise in the With the Kingston people that make some noise, you know. Alright, good. Alright, we're gonna keep it moving on. You know, they say that music is a male-dominated business, but can I bring another lady to the stage? Yes! Can I? Yes! Say yes again louder. Yes! Alright, so hear what happened now. All the girls that can cook, scream for me. The girl that can make like curry, maybe some curry chicken or some curry chickpeas and scream for me. Look, the scream them go down a while ago. The scream them go down. The girl that can make a nice steamed fish, scream for me. Jesus, peas. The girl that can make a nice pot of soup, make some nice. Where the girl that can make sardines, scream for me. Sardine cook already. Sardine cook already. You can't trick me. But let me tell you something. There's something about a pot named rice and peas. Anybody can cook rice and peas? Or you cook rice and peas? What the first thing you put in the pot? Water. What is that? Water. Water? Alright, we're going to know. Just Elise!
Greatness is always here, it's always around. They don't know, but them soon realize. So what? One say up the line and reach for the sky. Just breathe. Try to wisely stay far from my mind. On and on, the rest is a lie. And that's why I'm grateful. I got you moving, I'm playful. If I learning. Grateful, I've been burned on, so careful, loving and
next one I'm gonna do before I go is a new song. It's called Unforgettable. And this one is a reminder for all of us, all the lover girls, all the lover boys. We have lovers in the house tonight. See there? That's what I like to see. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Ooh, yeah.
Says it's a lie, so I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Ooh, you've been with me right through the road, and you never said it's enough, so I can't, no I can't.
Thank you so much for being great, for being amazing. This one goes out to everybody who has seen us. Pressure, 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 pressure. What is the fun to see? Oh, I'm
Fresh and clean. Make some noise for Elise. No, she bad no. Make some noise for Elise, man. Fresh and clean. Anybody wear fresh and clean with their left hand in the year? And he's, remember earlier I was talking about the jeans? Anybody know Alton Ellis? Make some noise if you know Alton Ellis. Alright, so this next artist right now is the son of Alton Ellis. Who am I talking about? The one and the only Christopher Ellis.
Yes, yes indeed. Kingston, how you feeling? I said, how you feeling? Well, so well. This one says something like this. Rock with me. Hey, on this reggae music, hey. What's the way the dance I'll change? It will still go on the same way. Believe me when I say, this reggae music play. Yeah, what's the way the dance I'll change? It will still go on the same way. They need to hear me. Look, listen. I said, men are cause no trouble. I know this, we had this. We really love how you juggle. But it's a sound that we miss. You've got most notes covered. But I want to reminisce for the long time days. I want to hear some Dennis. You can play anyone. A few Alton Ellis, cause we love every song. And drop on our berries, make the crowd sing along. And they sing the place, but I'm saying, yes. Yes, we do. But what's the way the dance I change? Yet we still go on our same way. Believe me with us. Yeah, Mr. Reggae music play. What's the way the dance I change? Yet we still go on our same way. Look, selector, big up yourself, cause we are enjoying the night. Me and my whole crew run out. We are going on a vibe. Me not dry you out still, me not tell no lies, so don't feel no way. I want to hear cool and deadly. We go dance with me girl, but if me call we are Gregory, it's one man against the world. When the system's against me, my voice can be heard in those songs from yesterday. I said I miss when reggae music plays. What's the way the dance has changed? Yet they still go on the same way. Sing for me, yeah. Miss when reggae music plays. What's the way the dance change? Don't you know? Ladies in the home, those in the home, sing. Miss when reggae music play. What's the way the dance has changed? Yeah,
Yet we still go on dancing.
one more time, sing it one more time for me. Mr. Reggae music play. What's the way the dance has changed? Yet we still go on our same way. What do you say? What do you say? So this is not an ordinary show. My brother Joe Mersa. You know, fun fact, we were born on the same day, March 12th. Joe Mersa, long live eternal. Can I sing a song for the fellas? This is for the fellas. Listen keenly, please. Play the song for me, please. I have a lesson for you. Yeah. Oh, wow. Fellas, listen keenly. Be careful what you say when you are speaking to a potential. Don't speak too soon. Don't speak too hastily. Listen, please. I said, yep. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Listen, look. I express my affection. Some might say prematurely. But now I've learned my lesson. Sometimes that lesson means more. Cause from the moment I said that L word, everything just changed. Now she's got the upper hand, acting all the confident. This is what I planned. Oh no, no, no. So many things are better left unsaid, unheard. Look, I might have said too much too soon, and now I'm looking like a fool. Oh, I could have kept my feelings to myself. Be careful who you keep in your arm. They might not feel the same at all about you. Yeah, I used to cut my sleeve with my heart. I was only sharing my thoughts, and now ever since that she's taking advantage, I just guessed. I think back to when we started, things were much different then. We would spend the whole night talking, but now she ain't listening. Why? Cause from the moment I said those 3 words, everything just changed. Now she's got the upper hand, acting overconfident. This ain't what I planned. Oh no, no. So many things out there left unsaid, unheard. I should never say to you, no, those 3 words, I love you. Oh, should have never, I should have never said it. Sing for me, sing for me. So many things out there. Take it up. Basement, take it up. What do you say, reggae music? Drum and bass, listen, play. Play. What? Hey, I say, left hand side. Thank you. How you feeling? It's a nice environment. You're looking so colorful, it's wonderful. You know, when I big up my dad, them in a tune I got, you know, Stephen Marley. And then when they send me a road, you know, hear that? With songs like this. Nice and easy, smooth and deadly. They call me the singer wizard. Yours true. Yeah. Thank you for having me, thank you for listening. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Watch me. Huh. Some boy can't play love as rap. I know about to feel. Sure. Them pull up too fast, kind of can't dance and make it look to you. Maybe I'm here about up for you. Rubber duck for you. Yes. Baby, I play rubber duck for you. Rubber duck for you. Listen. Some boy can't wallpaper scrub and can't make love to you. Some boy don't play one drop. I know rubber duck for you. Hey, baby, I play rubber duck for you. Rubber duck for you. Yes, baby, I play rubber duck for you. Rubber duck for you. Hey. 1, 2, 3. And even though the real rubber duck still sounds so sweet, they're not talking about it. And even when the competition claims that I can't compete, they've not heard it. Ooh. We've got shoots, we've got dubs. We've got me, we've got love. Sure. You've got me and we've got us. We've got the Sure. Some boys. My name is Ellis. Thank you for listening. One love and you're the rest of the show.
rubber duck for you. Give me a big rubber duck for you. Rubber duck. Yeah, man. You having a good time? Make some noise. The people over that side, make some noise to me right now, over that side. Right here, so make some noise to me. In the middle, right here, so make some noise. Oh, the middle weak. Over here, so make some noise. In the middle, you have to build up yourself. Make some noise in the middle. Alright, listen. I don't think you guys understand the type of artist that you are going to get on a showcase tonight. Because we bring some big artists to the stage already, and we have more big artists to come. All who want more big artists, say big artists. All who want more reggae music, say reggae! Now you see when these next artists come, I don't know if the speaker can stay here, so you know. We might have to move them, you know, because you see when she come up here, she has a lot of band down and go with her bag of things. I don't think the stage is big enough for this artist. And this artist, she has gone through a lot in her life. And she's here tonight as a proof that no matter what you go through in your life, at the end of it, you're going to come out strong as a woman. All of the women, they want to say strong, get up here and hear from me right now. The people who love reggae music, again, put up here and hear from me right now. I met this artist a long time ago when she had maybe half a song. And now every song she sings is a song that wins. I don't even have to call her name, but I'm going to call her name because I respect her to the max. Make some noise for Lila and
When you them have a hit list, one star and business, helicopters are so quick. Here like self-respect, and selfish from
eternally. Rest in paradise to Joe Mersa. Kick off the next one right away. Do you love love? I love love now. If you know them sing, I sing it to you.
Keep on
fi up my seat they know. Me a rise and some walk. Out of prestige and them me left come look for mine. Me never sell me soul, me settle down. Take my time. Do this come love it natural. Let the light and shine. I see my Mersa place with night. Who got me coming from? And take a look at where we be going. Oh gosh, you spend my one, you know say I'm strong. I'm praise, yes I'm praise. You got me where I'm coming from. And take a look at where we get from. I really want you to stay strong. I'm a boss of the family, I'm the great leader in Black Market. What's that? Fight big scum. Ice my bread, reach and care. But I never guess. There's no one left. But one me used to time, me used to rush up like a fight. Still me never stop burn. Say, wasn't an easy road. It really wasn't an easy road. But Jah bless me, and He carry me along. Let me hear you sing with me. Sing. Now when we look at you, coming from, take a look at where we come. Just let me understand I'm strong. Our praises to the Most High God. Look at where we're coming from. Take a look at where we come. Just tell me why you do say I'm strong. Our praises to the Most High. To the Most High. In everything you do, you have to big up God. We never forget God, not day and not time. If you believe that, we're not going to repeat what the singer never said. And when we do, we praise God. To the Most High. To the Most High. To the Most High. Yeah. Oh God, there's so much I am not one now. The God. When I lay down my night, I feel afraid. In my night, Joe Mersa did bad to me before he believed this earth. He believed in God. This lion soldier might die, but they never found me. Thank you so much for all of you here. Come. Look at where I'm coming from. Take a look at where that's why. Never lie. Strong,
But now, like, you feel the vibes? You feel the vibes? You feel the vibes? Make some noise for Lila idea one time. All right. Let me tell you.